Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Have you recently failed an ADA inspection because your commercial door is too heavy to open? This is actually a very common problem we see in office buildings, medical facilities, schools, churches, and retail storefronts. Many commercial doors require too much force to open, especially exterior doors with door closers, weather stripping, or air pressure pushing against the door. According to ADA accessibility guidelines, interior doors generally should not require more than 5 pounds of force to open. Exterior doors can vary depending on site conditions, but if the door is too difficult for someone with limited mobility, wheelchair users, or elderly visitors to operate, the entrance may not meet accessibility requirements. We often see this happen when buildings install heavy-duty door closers for security or wind resistance. The closer may control the door properly, but it also increases the amount of force required to pull the door open manually. In other cases, tight weather seals, misaligned hinges, stack pressure from HVAC systems, or even door warping can all contribute to higher opening force. When an inspector measures the opening force and it exceeds acceptable limits, the building owner may be required to make modifications in order to pass inspection and avoid potential accessibility complaints. One of the most reliable solutions to this problem is installing a low-energy automatic door opener, also known as an ADA automatic swing door operator. Low-energy operators assist the user by automatically opening the door when activated by a push plate, wave sensor, or other knowing act device. These systems are specifically designed to help buildings comply with ADA accessibility requirements by reducing the amount of physical effort required to open the door. Automatic operators can be installed on many types of commercial doors, including aluminum storefront doors, hollow metal doors, and commercial wood doors. When someone presses the ADA push button, the operator activates and opens the door at a controlled speed, allowing safe and accessible entry without requiring excessive force. Low-energy operators are commonly used in medical offices, retail stores, schools, government buildings, churches, and many other commercial applications where accessibility is important. Another advantage is consistency. Manual doors can be affected by wind pressure, building air balance, or hardware adjustments, which can cause the opening force to change over time. An automatic operator provides consistent assisted opening every time the door is used. If your door is currently failing inspection due to opening force, retrofitting an automatic operator is often faster and more cost-effective than replacing the entire door system. At Automatic Door and Hardware, we offer low-energy ADA automatic door opener kits that include the operator, arm, control components, and activation devices needed to upgrade an existing manual door. We also offer wireless push plate options, which can simplify installation when running wiring is difficult. If you're unsure which operator is correct for your application, our team can help determine compatibility based on your door type, door size, and mounting conditions. If your commercial door failed ADA inspection because it is too heavy to open, upgrading to a low-energy automatic door operator can help bring the entrance into compliance and improve accessibility for all users. You can purchase automatic door openers and activation devices at autodoorandhardware.com. If you need help selecting the correct unit, call us at 877-412-3667, and our team will be happy to help. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware.